This little accessory tries to replace 3 or 4 separate mounts with one folding gadget, and I'd say it succeeds on all counts. It's built from machined aluminum alloy, which gives it a sturdy feel, and at only 90 grams, it barely adds bulk to a kit built around a tiny camera. The standout feature is the magnetic backplate, paired with a non-slip silicone base, which lets it grip metal surfaces in a snap. In addition, it ships with an adhesive metal plate, so you can add that same magnetic surface to pretty much anything. The real selling point is versatility. It converts between tripod, handheld selfie stick, quick-release plate adapter, and magnetic mount. The Mantis hook stand is a small folding metal hook that grips when you want to hang the camera. You flip the hook and legs out and it locks into an open position. This provides plenty of opportunities for creative shooting angles. I also appreciate that it does not interfere with the Luna's wind protection clip when tucked away. For anyone juggling a pile of separate mounting accessories, this consolidates a lot of that function into one compact foldable tool. Highly recommended.